So after a day-long political face-off over its Gayab post targeting Prime Minister Modi, the Congress party has finally decided to take it down last evening. The post has now been deleted, but the BJP is still gunning for the Congress party, saying that merely deleting the post will not hide the anti-national and pro-Pakistan characteristic of the Congress party. Let's tell you how it all started. The Congress party had put out a post on social media platform X on Monday night mocking the Prime Minister and hurling the Gayab jibe at him. The post featured a picture showing a politician with his head missing. And guess what? This post was in fact reshared by Fawad Chaudhry, a former minister of Pakistan. So that's the endorsement that the Congress party received, the endorsement from Pakistan. The BJP was quick to go all guns blazing against the Congress party, calling it proof of the Congress's backing of the Sar Tan Se Juda mindset. The BJP also referred to the video of the Pakistani diplomat who was seen making a throat-slit gesture at the Indian protesters in London, asking, how is it that the Congress party and Pakistan speak the same language and display the same mindset? Watch how the BJP and allies targeted the Congress party.
कांग्रेस पार्टी है तो भारत की राष्ट्रीय पार्टी, लेकिन ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा अपने दोहरे चरित्र को यहां पे जग जाहिर करती है और लश्करे పాకిస్తాన్ కాంగ్రెస్ బన్ జాతీ హై.
పాకిస్తాన్ని ప్రేమిస్తాంటారు వీళ్ళందరూ. ఇక్కడ భారతదేశంలోకి వచ్చి మీరు పాకిస్తాన్ని ప్రేమిస్తుంటారు. మొన్న కొంతమంది నాయకులు డిబేట్ లో మాట్లాడుతుంటే చూస్తున్నాను. మీరు పాకిస్తాన్ అంత ప్రేమిస్తే దయచేసి పాకిస్తాన్కి వెళ్ళిపోండి. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు?
कांग्रेस और कुछ विपक्षी दलों की क्या मजबूरी है कि पाकिस्तान के बोल बोलने जरूरी है, पाकिस्तान का समर्थन करना जरूरी है? क्या उनको भारत के लोगों का खून बहता इस पर उनका खून खौलता नहीं है?
In fact, hours before the decision to delete the tweet, finally, the Congress party was sticking to its guns, with the leaders, in fact, asserting that there was nothing wrong with the post because it merely questioned the Prime Minister's absence from the all-party meeting called in the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack. The Congress also accused the Prime Minister of using Pahalgam attack for political gains in poll-bound Bihar.
Pulwama helped him in his Lok Sabha election. Godra helped him in his Gujarat election. Now this he is using for his Bihar election.
प्रधानमंत्री देखिए सर्वदलीय बैठक में तो नहीं थे, प्रधानमंत्री नहीं। हालांकि प्रधानमंत्री आए 24 तारीख को वापस और बिहार में चुनावी भाषण देने के लिए चले गए, पर सर्वदलीय बैठक में आने के लिए उनके लिए मौका नहीं, वक्त नहीं है क्या? दिलचस्पी नहीं है क्या?
बीजेपी के अंदर कितना विष भरा है, कितना जहर भरा है, कितने गंदे मन के लोग हैं कि उनको एक पोस्टर में सिर तन से जुदा दिखा, जबकि वो एक पिक्चर के पोस्टर से प्रेरित है। ये पिक्चर का पोस्टर है, गायब पिक्चर।
Now we have breaking updates coming in. Sources say Supriya Shrinate, who heads the Congress party's social media, was told to take down the post that did not align with the party's views. The top leaders were upset with the media team about this. They felt that the post had put the Congress party in a tough spot and made the party look bad. So according to sources, the decision was taken by the top brass, asking the social media team of the Congress party to take down the post. We just also in fact played out the reaction from Supriya Shrinate, who was defending this post by the Congress party, saying there's nothing wrong. After which, hours after she made that declaration, the post was in fact brought down. Sources say that Supriya Shrinate, who heads the Congress party social media team, was asked to take down the post. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us live from outside 7LKM to get us the details of what happened in the Congress camp. Sabyasachi, until a few hours before the post was actually taken down, the Congress party was defending the post, saying there's nothing wrong. And finally, the post was taken down. Take us through what happened in the Congress party.
Well, that's right. The BJP has been escalating its attack on the Congress party after they had shared the controversial post in social media X, where the BJP has been attacking that deleting the post still exposes the Congress party of the Sar Se Tan Juda mindset. Now, as per the Congress party sources, the High Command has asked Supriya Shrinate to immediately delete the post from social media X, stating that this particular post post does not align with the Congress party. In fact, the party high command was upset after the post had been put out in social media X. Now the party sources tell Times Now that the party feels that after this post was made public, it puts the Congress party in a tough position and puts the Congress party in a bad light, and that is the reason why the Congress party high command had directed the social media team to delete the post immediately. Meanwhile, after that, KC Venugopal had put out a letter to all the Congress party leaders, the spokespersons, as well as to different functionaries of the Congress party to refrain from making any sort of statement as far as Pahalgam attack is concerned. Now, KC Venugopal strictly reminded the Congress party that during that CWC meeting, a resolution was decided by the Congress party high command, and the Congress functionaries must stick to the resolution that was passed by the party high command, and if they divert from that resolution, then strict action will be taken against individual. Now, that letter was also shared by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra today. So clearly, a lot of infighting happening within the Congress party. We had seen that the Congress party had been facing a lot of criticism for its leaders making controversial remarks, whether it is Siddaramaiah or several other leaders from the Congress party.
Okay, all right. So the Congress party's conscience suddenly woke up. It took down the Gayab post. But it was the General Secretary KC Venugopal who wrote a letter to all the party leaders, spokespersons and functionaries asking them to strictly abide by the CWC resolution on Pahalgam adopted on the 24th of April. And the letter called upon the leaders as well as the official Congress social media handles to keep their public expressions on Pahalgam in line with the CWC resolution, warning of strict disciplinary action if the directive is violated. But Sabyasachi, are there any details of whether the Congress party is also going to crack down on the leaders who seem to be in a hurry to give Pakistan a clean chit?
The Congress party has issued a stern warning. In fact, the Congress party as of now has not taken any action against its own leaders who in fact have given a clean chit to Pakistan, whether it is Manishankar Aiyar or whether it is Siddaramaiah. But the stand is very much clear from the Congress party. The Congress party in fact stated that the resolution that was passed by the CWC meeting, the resolution was to stand with the central government, and the Congress party will support any action that the central government will take to teach Pakistan a lesson. Now, after that resolution, we had seen whether it is Siddaramaiah, whether it is Manishankar Aiyar or several other leaders from the Congress party were in a hurry to give a clean chit to the Congress party, and the latest was the Gayab poster which were officially posted from the Congress party X handle. Now the party high command was extremely upset.
So high command now intervening as well. Sabyasachi, stay with us. After KC Venugopal warned the netas, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also shared a notice to all the Congress leaders on the Pahalgam attack, asking them to act with maturity. Now this notice may have come a little too late for the Congress party, because Sabyasachi, several Congress leaders have made statements, and up until now the Congress party not just did nothing about it, taking no action whatsoever, but in fact also said that these were personal opinions of these leaders. Any word on whether any action will be taken? Because this notice says that leaders must act with maturity, but there's no indication of what action will be taken against them.
Well, that's right. See, there is no indication whether action will be taken against these leaders or not. What the Congress party says that in future, if they once again go against the directive that has been issued by the Congress party in the CWC meeting, then action will be taken against any spokesperson, leaders or functionaries. Now, it is very interesting to note and very much contrasting remarks coming in from different Congress leaders. See, the recent remark that was given by Mallikarjun Kharge himself, who was present in the all-party meeting where the Congress party said that they are going to stand with the central government. But in a public gathering, Mallikarjun Kharge once again pointed out that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi was not present at the all-party meeting. In fact, several of the top leaders like Randeep Surjewala, Jairam Ramesh, in fact, pointed out that in the all-party meeting, the central government had misinformed the opposition parties that were present present out there. Now suddenly a U-turn coming in from the Congress party after the social media post in X, and Mr. Siddaramaiah stating that he does not support war, and Manishankar Iyer as usual giving a clean chit to Pakistan. Now the conscience of the Congress party has risen, and that is the reason why they have issued a stern warning to all these leaders, and that is the reason why, Pratibha, we are seeing that the social media post in X has been deleted.
Okay, all right, but Sabyasachi, this warning also comes after the Congress party, in fact, got endorsement from Pakistan. Pakistani leaders were sharing the Congress media handles, and that's the reason why Congress has been forced to take a step now. In fact, we have a reaction coming in from the BJP as well on the politics that has played out. Remember, the BJP has said time and again that on matters of national security, there should be no politics.
दिस इज नॉट इंडिया अलायंस, दिस इज रावलपिंडी अलायंस। और आज से हम भारतवर्ष में, आज से हम भारत में इन कांग्रेस को और कांग्रेस के घटक दलों के नेताओं को एक बात स्पष्ट कर दे कि आपको आज से हम इंडिया अलायंस नहीं बुलाएंगे। आज से आपका नामांकन हुआ पिंडी अलायंस। अभी तो पाकिस्तान के मीडिया के हीरो बने हुए हैं राहुल गांधी, पाकिस्तान की जनता के दुलारे बने हुए हैं कांग्रेस के तमाम नेता। मुझे लगता है वो दिन भी दूर नहीं है जब ये इंडिया अलायंस वालों का, वो तो गायब ही है हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति से। मुझे तो इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि थोड़े दिनों के बाद ये पिंडी अलायंस वाले, रावलपिंडी अलायंस वाले पाकिस्तान में ही चुनाव लड़ेंगे, पाकिस्तान की ही राजनीति करेंगे।
So the BJP's dig being that the way the Congress party has been acting, not as a responsible opposition in the country, but acting as a Rawalpindi alliance. That's the dig that has come in from the BJP. The political attacks are only going to continue, and a big meeting also expected at the Prime Minister's residence. We continue getting you these details and updates. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us. Quick break. We'll be right back.